In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize page layout in Confluence. Start by opening your Confluence site. From the home screen, head into the space where your content lives so you're working in the right place. Next, open the specific page you want to format. Once you're there, click Edit to enter the editor. This is where all your layout tools are available. At the top of the editor, click Layouts. This panel controls how your content is arranged on the page. If you want a clean, simple reading experience, select one column. It's great for articles, announcements, or any content that should flow top to bottom without visual distractions. If you need side-by-side content, choose two columns. This is perfect for comparisons, before and after screenshots, or pairing text with images. For more segmented content, try three columns. It works well for equal sections like status updates, team highlights, or feature callouts. If you're building a compact dashboard, explore four columns. It allows you to place small, focused blocks like KPIs, quick notes, or mini charts. For very dense overviews, there's also five columns. Use it sparingly. While it can fit many small items, readability on smaller screens can suffer, so keep text concise and visuals clear. You can also use asymmetric layouts. Pick the right sidebar layout to keep a main content area on the left and a narrow supporting column on the right. Ideal for summaries, key links, or reminders that should stay visible as people scan. Alternatively, choose the left sidebar layout if you want navigation, notes, or a table of contents to lead the reading flow from the left. As you place content, press the / on your keyboard to open the macro menu. This is a quick way to insert elements that enhance your layout, such as tables, panels, images, status lozenges, calendars, or a table of contents. Macros help each column carry clear, scannable information so your layout isn't just pretty, it's useful. A few tips as you go. Keep headings consistent across columns to guide the eye, avoid cramming too much into narrow columns, and consider how the page will look on different screen sizes. If a layout feels crowded, switch to fewer columns to improve readability. When you're done arranging your content, click Update or Publish to save your changes and make them visible to your team. That's all you need to customize page layouts in Confluence. Select the right structure, enrich it with macros, and publish with confidence.